It's giving season, and I have a gift for you. Although it's no money, but it's something worth more than money. I mean, something that can make your 2025 more better than this year. On the 18th to the 20th of December, I'll be hosting a free training on my Telegram channel where I will teach you what I do to earn a living online, and that is freelancing and Upwork. And most importantly, I'll be sharing with you my new fun strategies that gives me job, make me a lot of money, and it's proven to work. And you will never find it anywhere, even on YouTube or any platform. Now, is this worth it? Or why should you listen to me? Don't worry, I will show you. In my 2 years plus of professional freelancing, I've been able to make over 50 million naira. Now, currently, this December, with my new fan Upwork strategy, I've gotten 3 jobs. This, and this. And that makes me over 3 million naira for this one December, which is likely to continue until next year going forward. Now, is this worth it? If it does, then I'll see you in class. And if you are an existing freelancer in Upwork and you have been struggling to get a job on Upwork, I have a new strategy that will help revive your career. So don't miss this class. Why? If you're a new freelancer, you're welcome to join and learn. I'll see you all in class. Come and take this free gift before this year was done so that you can make your 2025 more prosperous. There's no job anywhere, but there's job in freelancing. There's gig, there's contract in freelancing. I even have multiple freelancers that I have outsourced some jobs to, and I'm paying them 100k a month. That's even bigger than the Nigerian minimum wage. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Join me in freelancing.